This message is transmitted at the request of the Minnesota Police Department. A mysterious platypus is in Minnesota, and no, I am not talking about the TV kid show Daniel Tiger's Neighborhood. It's a mysterious platypus from the Disney show. Stay tuned for more updates on the strange platypus.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Australian government. A mysterious platypus is discovered in the United States of America. The platypus's name is Perry the platypus. Perry the platypus from Phineas and Ferb, a TV show, where they have 104 days of summer vacation. Stay tuned for more updates on this platypus.
This message is transmitted at the request of the Minnesota Police Department. According to Australia, we have found out the name of the platypus. According to Australia, they told us that the name of the platypus is Perry the platypus, a platypus from a Disney show called Phineas and Ferb. And now Perry, the platypus, is going to fight Dr. Doofenshmirtz. He is evil according to the show. People from Minnesota should evacuate now. Stay tuned for more updates on this dangerous situation.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Minnesota Police Department. Dr. Doofenshmirtz sent 5 nukes in Australia. This wasn't supposed to happen. This situation is getting even worse. All residents in Australia, even though you don't live in Australia, should seek shelter immediately. This is a message from the Australian National Emergency Warning System. Stay tuned for more updates.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Australian government. The Emergency Alert System, aka the United States, has sent us a message that Doofenshmirtz sent 5 nukes on Australia. Please seek shelter immediately. Stay tuned for more updates on this situation that is currently going on.
The National Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Central Anaconda County, Northeast Hennepin, Central Hennepin, and East Hennepin County, Northwestern Ramsey County, until 4:15 p.m. At 4:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service has reported that Cloudy from Battle for Dream Island, which is a YouTube animated show, accidentally went to a bad cloud and made a storm. Perry of Platypus is trying to stop Doofenshmirtz and his evil plans. Everyone should seek shelter immediately. Stay tuned for more updates.
This message is transmitted at the request of the Minnesota State Police. Dinosaurs from Jurassic World and Battle for Dream Island characters have come to save us. Let's hope they defeat Doofenshmirtz and Perry the platypus, but stay at your shelters till further notice. Stay tuned for more updates.
We are sorry to interrupt your programming. This is a national emergency. Important instructions will follow.
Message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Doofenshmirtz sent an asteroid that could immediately go to the USA, to Australia. The battle for Dream Island characters, and the Jurassic World dinosaurs, and Perry the platypus is trying to destroy the asteroid and defeat Doofenshmirtz. This isn't the end of the world. Please remain calm. Do not go into panic mode. That will cause to make the situation worse. Hopefully more cartoon characters go in like the amazing world of Gumball. Hopefully the United States and the Australian country stays alive. The President of the United States will send us a message over the emergency alert system. Please stand by.
Hello fellow Americans, as you can see, Doofenshmirtz has sent an asteroid to the United States to Australia. Luckily, the BFDI characters and the Jurassic World dinosaurs are here to help us. Also Perry the platypus, don't worry US citizens. We have the right to destroy the asteroid, and defeat Doofenshmirtz. That's all I have to say for the United States. Goodbye. God bless you all.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Australian government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Doofenshmirtz has an asteroid to the United States to Australia. Luckily, we have some help by the Jurassic World dinosaurs and the BFDI characters with us. Please seek shelter immediately. I almost forgot about Perry. The platypus is also with us. Do not go into panic mode. Please stay calm. We will try to figure out how to destroy this asteroid. God bless you all.
States national anthem. I'm sorry for those who don't live in the United States.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government and the Australian government. All clear. I repeat, all clear. The Amazing World of Gumball characters helped. The Battle for Dream Island characters, the Jurassic World dinosaurs, and Perry the platypus. Also, I'm making 2 screens, because Alan is having his lunch break right now. You can now exit your shelters. We thank you for participating of the Emergency Alert System, and the National Emergency Warning System. We resume to regular programming. I forgot to tell you, that the asteroid has been destroyed.